So today I thought I would film my favorite summer makeup look. So we're going to be using the Urban Decay Beach palette, but you can use any similar colors if you want to recreate this. And this is going to be a full face tutorial, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to use is the Professional Primer from Benefit, and I'm just going to dot that on my face and blend it in. So now I'm just going to rub it in with my fingers. Up next, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I'm just going to put it on a makeup sponge and then blend it in. So now I'm just going to make sure this is very well blended. After that, I'm going to take my NYX HD Photogenic Concealer, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes and on any spots. Then I'm going to use the Beauty Blender to blend that back in. Once we have that blended, I'm going to use my e.l.f. eyelid primer and just blend that with my finger. Now on to the eyeshadow. So to start off, I'm going to use the color Blaze, and I'm just going to put that on my lids. And I like to kind of build it up. Sorry if you hear a lot of sounds. My husband's home and our cats are also like playing. So after that, I'm going to take a Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I'm going to take the color 16th Street, and I'm going to use that to blend out. Next up, I'm going to take a smudger brush, and I'm going to take the color Double Dip, and I'm going to run that under my eyes. After I've done that, I'm going to take a slanted Luxie brush, and I'm going to take the color Salt and use that on my brow bones and my inner corners. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and take my IT Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder and put that all over my face. After that, I'm going to take my natural bronzer from Rimmel London in Sunlight, and I'm going to take a Real Techniques brush and put that on my face. I'm just going to bronze the look up just a little bit. Okay guys, so after bronzer, we're going to take the High Beam highlighter by Benefit, and we're just going to put that in a couple of specific places on our face. I'm just using just a little bit of it. I don't want to use it too heavily. I'm just going to blend with my fingers. Next up, I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to use the Benefit Give Me Good Brow in number 3. After that, I'm going to take my Marcel Extension Plus Curl Mascara and use that on my eyelashes. I'm using it on the tops and the bottom lashes. Then on the lips, I'm just going to do something simple. So I'm just going to take the Wonder Beauty in Double Date and Rendezvous, and I'm just going to put that on my lips. And this, you guys, is the finished look. If you enjoyed this, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. This is my absolute favorite look during the summer. I wear it like all the time. Like basically as soon as it starts to warm up, I start using this makeup. So if you guys enjoyed, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. That is my husband's car that you hear if you can hear that rumbling. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!